we're just waiting for, we got a last group finishing up in R&D, and as soon as they're up here, and we know that we've got everybody accounted for that's got a potential winning raffle ticket, we're going to get into that. But if you're here pumped, I'm sure you know we're doing a cruise to the show. So from here, we are all going to be driving to the Street Machine Nationals. We're going to cruise in there like a bunch of local rock stars. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then we've got the whole show all to look forward to. There's going to be autocross action. There's going to be just amazing cars to look at, cool people to hang out with. Junkyard Diggs is going to be doing a little before and after test of old wore out car on the autocross, and then after with some